Good morning, students. Today we'll discuss some examples related to Laurent series, which represents a given function in a region. So our first example is find the expansion of the function 1 upon z square minus 3z plus 2 for the region z mod greater than 0 less than 1. In the second part, we'll find the expansion of this function in the region z mod greater than 1 less than 2. And in the third part, the region is z mod greater than 2. First of all, let us factorize the expression z square minus 3z plus 2. This can be written as z minus 2 into z minus 1. Now, let us resolve it into partial fractions. So we get f of z is equal to 1 upon z minus 2 minus 1 upon z minus 1. Now, first of all, we find the expansion in the region z mod greater than 0 and less than 1. Now, z mod less than 1 means z mod upon 2 is less than half, and half is less than 1. So, z mod by 2 is less than 1. So, the equation 1 can again be written in the form f of z is equal to the inverse of 1 minus z minus half into inverse of 1 minus z by 2. Now, 1 minus z whole inverse can be written as 1 plus z square and so on. And 1 minus z by 2 whole inverse, that becomes 1 plus z by 2 plus z by 2 whole square and so on. Now, this series can be written in the form of summation z raised to the power n, where n varies from 0 to infinity. Also, this series can be written as summation z by 2 whole raised to the power n and varies from 0 to infinity. So finally, f of z can be written as summation n varies from 0 to infinity 1 minus 1 upon 2 raised to the power n plus 1 into z raised to the power n. So this is the expansion of the given function in the region z mod greater than 0 less than 1. Now, in the second part, the given region is z mod greater than 1 less than 2. Z mod greater than 1 means its reciprocal will be less than 1. So 1 upon z mod is less than 1. From here, z mod less than 2 means z mod upon 2 is less than 1. So we can write the function f of z in the form, because z by 2 is less than 1, so taking 2 common from the first term, that becomes 1 upon 2 into z by 2 minus 1. And also 1 upon z mod is less than 1. So from the second term, let us take z common. So inside, in the denominator, we have 1 minus 1 by z. Now taking this term and this term in the numerators, so f of z can be written as minus 1 by 2 into 1 minus z by 2 whole inverse minus 1 by z into 1 minus 1 by z whole inverse. Now, 1 minus z by 2 whole inverse, that is the series 1 plus z by 2 plus z square upon 4 and so on up to infinity, and 1 minus 1 by z whole inverse, that represents the series 1 plus 1 by z plus 1 by z square and so on up to infinity. Now we can write these two series in the form of summations. So we get the Lorentz expansion for the given function given by minus 1 by 2 into summation and varies from 0 to infinity of the function z by 2 whole raised to the power n minus 1 by z summation z raised to the power minus n. So this is the Lorentz expansion of the function in the annulus z mod greater than 1 less than 2. In the third part, we are given the reason z mod greater than 2. It means 2 upon z mod will be less than 1, and therefore 1 upon z mod will be less than half. Half is less than 1, so 1 upon z mod will be less than 1. So we can write the function f in the form by taking z common from the denominator and shifting the remaining part in the numerator. In the second term also we are taking z common. So the function can be written as 1 by z into 1 minus 2 by z whole inverse minus 1 by z into the inverse of 1 minus 1 by z. Now the inverse of 1 minus 2 by z, that represents the series 1 plus 2 by z plus 2 by z whole square and so on up to infinity. And the inverse of 1 minus 1 by z, that is the series 1 plus 1 by z plus 1 by z square and so on. So the expansion of the function in the region z mod greater than 2 is given by summation and varies from 0 to infinity minus 1 plus 2 raised to the power n into 1 upon z raised to the power n plus 1. So these were the expansions of the function in terms of Lorentz series in the different regions. Now our next problem is to find the expression for the function z minus 2 into z plus 2 upon z plus 1 into z plus 4, which are valid in the regions z mod less than 1. In the second part we have z mod greater than 1 less than 4. In the third part z mod greater than 4. First of all, let us simplify the given function by having the products in the numerator as well as in the denominator. So z minus 2 into z plus 2, that is z square minus 4. Multiplying z plus 1 with z plus 4, that will become z square plus 5z plus 4. Now dividing numerator by denominator, the function f of z can be written in the form 1 minus 5z plus 8 upon z plus 4 into z plus 1. Now let us resolve this expression into partial fractions. So finally, after resolving into partial fractions, the function f takes the form 1 minus 1 upon 1 plus z minus 4 upon z plus 4. Now we find the expansion of this function in the given regions. The first region is z mod less than 1. So z mod upon 4 will be less than 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is less than 1. So z mod upon 4 is less than 1. So here by taking z common, we can convert it into the form 1 plus z by 4. So this function can be written as 1 minus the inverse of 1 plus z minus 1 plus z by 4 whole inverse. Now this can further be written as f of z is equal to 1 minus, inside we have the series 1 minus z plus z square and so on. And the next expression is inside the brackets 1 minus z by 4 plus z by 4 whole square and so on. 1 is cancelled out with 1. So we are left with minus 1 plus summation n varies from 0 to infinity minus 1 raised to the power n plus 1 into 1 plus 4 raised to the power minus n into z raised to the power n. So this is the required expansion of the function. In the second part, we are given the annulus z mod greater than 1 less than 4. Z mod greater than 1 means 1 upon z mod will be less than 1. And z mod less than 4 implies that z mod upon 4 is less than 1. So according to this, we can express the function f of z in the form by taking z common from the second term. This will become 1 minus 1 by z into the inverse of 1 plus 1 by z minus 1 plus z by 4 whole inverse. Now 1 plus 1 by z whole inverse, that is a series 1 minus 1 by z plus 1 by z square and so on. And 1 plus z by 4 whole inverse, that is a series 1 minus z by 4 plus z by 4 whole square and so on. Now 1 is cancelled out with 1. So we are left with the series which can be written in the form of summations. N varies from 1 to infinity minus 1 raised to the power n into 1 upon z raised to the power n minus z upon 4 whole raised to the power n. This is the Laurent series expansion for the given function in the annulus z mod greater than 1 less than 4. Now the last, in the third part, we are given the reason z mod greater than 4. So z mod upon 4 will be greater than 1. So 4 upon z mod will be less than 1. And also z mod is greater than 4. So we can say that z mod is greater than 1. So 1 upon z mod will be less than 1. So we can again express the given function in the form 1 minus 1 by z into the inverse of 1 plus 1 by z minus 4 by z into the inverse of 1 plus 4 by z. Now 1 plus 1 by z whole inverse is the series 1 minus 1 by z plus 1 by z square and so on. And the second series 1 plus 4 by z whole inverse, that is 1 minus 4 by z plus 4 by z whole square and so on. So after simplification, we can write the expansion of the function in the form of the series given by 1 plus summation n varies from 1 to infinity minus 1 whole raised to the power n into 1 plus 4 raised to the power n into 1 upon z raised to the power n. So this is the expansion of the function f in the reason z mod greater than 4. So these were some of the examples related to the expansion of a function in a given reason.